Hi math lovers. Now we're gonna learn about exponents. What is exponent or power? An exponent or power is a mathematical operation of repeated multiplication for the same number. Let's say here we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Instead of writing these long operations, mathematicians decided to make exponent, and they made this base 2 and 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. How many times we multiply 2 together? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 became an exponent. We can read this 2 to the power of 4, and instead of multiplying each time together, we already know 2 to the power of 4 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Same as for 7. Let's count this one. 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The base will be 7 and the power will be, how many times did we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So this is the way we write the repeated multiplication as a base and exponent. So in this number 3, I showed you 3 squared, or we say 3 to the power of 2, where 2 is exponent or power and 3 is a base. 3 squared equals 3 times 3. Let's do some more examples here. We have here 5 cube, or 5 to the power of 3. How can we expand this? We can write this 5 times 5 times 5, which is equal to 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. So 5 cube, or 5 to the power of 3, equals to 125. What about 5 squared? That means 5 times 5, which is equal to, just we did, 25. Hope you understand the way we write down the exponents of the number and we do our repeated multiplication. Now let's do some more examples here. Let's do it this way. 2 to the power of 1, that means just 2, right? 2 cube will be 2 times 2 times 2. This is the way we expand. 2 to the power of 4. How many times of 2's we're gonna multiply? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is equal to 2 to the power of 4, because 4 times we multiplied the base 2. 2 to the power of 5 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times, one more time will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2's we multiply together. This is not 5 times 2. When we add, we can say 5 times 2. When we make the power, it's 2 times 2 times 2. It's multiplied by 2. Each time the base is multiplied repeatedly. So this is for any number you can think. Let's take x. X to the power of 1 is x. X to the power of 2 or x squared equals x times x. X to the power of 3 or x cubed equals x times x times x. Now the last one, x to the power of 4 will be x times x times x times x. 4 x's we multiplied together to get x to the power of 4. So this is again the number which is base. It's supposed to be same to multiply all together to get an exponent or power. There are different types of exponents. Like simply here we had 3, 4, 5 positive numbers. In this case, here 4 to the power of 3. This is positive number in exponent. So we did 4 times 4 times 4, 3 times 4 we multiplied together. We call this positive exponent. What if the exponent is negative? In this case, we write down 1 over the same number with the exponent but positive way, like x negative 3 equals 1 over x but already positive 3, like inverse. We call this inverse. Next one is, so this was negative exponent. Next exponent can be fraction, 1 over 2. In this case we call it rational exponent because we have fraction on the exponent. This is the way we solve it. This exponent becomes square root. If instead of 3, let's say a to the power of 1 over 3, we will write this as the cube root of a. So this denominator goes into the root, on the root, and we find out what kind of root is it. It's square root or cube root. And the last one is to the power of 0. The exponent can be 0. In any number that has 0 as an exponent equals to 1. X to the power of 0 equals 1. Any number to the power of 0 equals 1. This is about exponents. Basically, it's multiplication of the same number repeatedly, and instead of doing this multiply each time times same number times same number times same number, we put the exponent. How many times we multiply the same number goes to the exponent, and the base is the number which stays the same. This is about exponent. In next lesson I'll explain you exponents rules. How can we multiply numbers with exponents or divide numbers with exponents, and it will be fun. Follow me. Thank you. Subscribe, and next lesson will be exponents rules. Thank you. Bye.